Today I am going to find the centroid of unequal I section, and here will be three portion, this and this. This will be flange. Here are two flange and one is wave. So we will have to find the centroid of I section. So for this problem, split the whole system into three parts. First is this is first portion. Second portion. This is third portion. Okay. Three parts now. So first part, second part, and third part. Let this one is C1. C1 is the centroid of first portion. C2. C2 is the centroid of second portion, and C3 is the centroid of third portion. Okay. In order to find the centroid of unequal I section, I will have to take axis, x and y axis. So extreme bottom will can be taken as x axis, and extreme left side taken as y axis. This is y axis and this is the x axis. Okay. Now we have to draw horizontal and vertical lines passing through C1, C2 and C3. So let C1 means centroid of portion 1. Let C1 is equal to be the centroid of portion first. Okay. Let C2 x2 comma y2 be the centroid of portion 2. C3 x3 comma y3 be the centroid of portion 3. Also let C the centroid of unequal I sections, x bar and y bar. Okay. Be the centroid of unequal I section. Okay. Then here x1 comma y1. What is this? It is the distance of centroid C1 from y and x axis respectively. Similarly, x2 comma y2 is the distance of centroid C2 from y and x axis. x3 comma y3 then C3 from y and x axis. Okay. Now, so first we will find x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay. Then consider portion first. And here x1. What is the value of x1? it is x1. Okay, it is distance of centroid C1 from y axis. Similarly, C1. This will be y1, height of C1 from x axis. For C2, what is height? Height will be x2. X2 will be the length from y axis to centroid C2. And what is the height? Height is y2 from bottom. Similarly, x3. This is x3 and this is y3. Now, considering portion 1, area A1 is equal to, we will find area of this rectangle. 5 centimeter into what is the value of this? 20 centimeter. This dimension given 20 centimeter. So 5 centimeter into 20. 5 into 20 is equal to 100 centimeter square. Okay. Now x1. This is x1. What is the value of x1? x1 is the just this portion half. 30. Total length is 30. Half of this is x1. 30 by 2 is equal to 15 centimeter. y1. y1 is this. y1 is equal to total. This height is 15 and this is 5. Okay. Then this is 5. So y1 5 by 2, 5 by 2, this height plus this height is 15 plus this height is 5. So 20, 2.5 plus 20 equal to 22.5 centimeter. This is y1. Okay. Considering portion 2. Okay. Then area A2 will be this rectangle area. Okay. This height is 15. This length. What is the value of this length? The value of this length is 5 centimeter. Okay. This is 5 centimeter. Then 15 to 5 square. Now x2. What is the value of x2? x2 is this, and x2 is just same as x1. All are symmetrical. x2 is equal to x1 is equal to 30 by 2 is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, and now y3 y2. This is y2. What is the height of y2? y2 is the height this portion half plus this portion. Okay, so this portion 15 by 2. Okay, this value plus this height plus 5. So 12.5 centimeter. Okay, considering portion 3 area A3 30 into 5 30 into 5 150 centimeter square. Then x3, what is the value of x3? Same x1 is equal to x2 is equal to x3. 15 centimeter x3 and y3. What is the value of y3? Here y3 is this c3 height from x-axis. What is the height? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Okay. Now I will erase this portion. Now I am interested in to find overall centroid of I section, that is C. So x1, what is formula? A1 x1 plus A2 x2 plus A3 x3 divided by A1 plus A2 plus A3. Okay, substituting all the value. A1, what is what value of A1? 100, x1 15 plus A2 plus A2 75 plus x2 15 plus A3 is 150 into x3 is 15. Okay, x3 15. Then 100 plus 25 plus 150. You will get final value 15 centimeters. Okay. Similarly, A1 y1 plus A2 y2 plus A3 y3 divided by A1 plus A2 plus A3. Now substitute all the values. A1 is 100. A1 y1 is 22.5 plus A2 75 into y2 12.5 plus A3 150 into y3 2.5 divided by all the sums of area 100 plus 75 plus 150. Finally you will get 10.96. After solving you will get 10.96 centimeter. Okay, so this is the final answer. 15 centimeters x bar and y bar is 10.96 centimeter. Hence you can write here, hence centroid x bar y bar is equal to x bar 15 comma 15 centimeter comma 10.96 centimeter. This is the final answer. So I have found centroid of unequal I section, that is 50 centimeter comma 10.96 centimeters. Thanks.